All right, we got maintenance time. Let's start by pumping up the tires. Microfiber cloth. Do this to the suspension just to like clean it off, get around the air valve area. So my back suspension is really hard to get to, but we'll give it the old college try. Now you want to lube it up. Oh yeah. Now that your chain's all lubed up, just wait a little bit so it can like seep in. Now you just want to like clean it off a little bit so all that excess stuff gets off. Kaplow. Well, there you go. Now it's gonna be all beautiful.